Hi, everyone. It is Miss Busi. Uh, it's cold out here, and I am recovering from a very terrible flu. I'm not yet 100% fine, but you know what? I thank God for the difference that I see each and every day. So I am getting better and better as the day goes by. So yeah, very soon I'll be in J 100%, 100%. But anyway, I'm making this video now because I want to ask you all something. I want to know if anyone relates with me on this one, okay? So, uh, is it just me, ne? Like really, I really want to know. Like, is it just me that there are situations where I would literally charge my phone, making sure that it's like 100% all the time, 100% the battery, and then when it's 100%, then I can like use it as I wish. And then sometimes just a random day where I won't charge it and it will go low and low and low up to 15%. And I'm like, okay, once it's 5%, I'll just charge it and then just rest. I'll just charge it and just rest. All of a sudden, when the battery is already 5% and going down, when I'm just about to charge it, actually, even when I put the plug in, boom, there's load shedding. Boom, there's no electricity. Like things just happen. Like I'm like, how is this possible? Same with water. I have this thing of I have like a lot of buckets where I pour like a lot of water. I even have bottles where I pour water, like a lot of water. And then at some point, you need to use that water for some other things so that you can just get fresh water because you can't leave water uh for the whole day all the time. So, the time when you choose to use that water, and then when you just want to refill to get fresh water, boom, again, boom, now there's no water. Hey, and these things, the load shedding and this water thing, it's not only like an hour thing, sometimes it can be days, and you're like, yo, like, why? Like, yo, like, who can relate with me on this one? Like, really, what's the last thing? Hey, the worst thing. This is like the worst thing for me, especially. Um, that moment when you have data or Wi-Fi and you on YouTube, like you download sermons or you even just watch them online if you're not able to like save them, like you listen to them. And I actually love repeating sermons that I listen to. I don't like to just watch once. I like to repeat. So sometimes you like watch those sermons, and then sometimes you just save them and you're like, hey, I want to listen again and again and again. The day you choose to remove them because now you want to get space to download more, yo, now there's problems with the data. There's problems with the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi won't work. Like it won't work at all. And you're like, what is going on? Like, like what is up with these random days where things just catch you when you just least expect it to happen? Like, yo, these things, Jay, they happen. Like, they really, really happen. Like, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Same with the receiving an unexpected visitor. Like let's say every day you always have biscuits and stuff in the house, and one random day you're really craving for them, and then you eat them and you finish them. Then the visitor comes. Now you don't have anything to serve them. Even the drinks, you finish drinking it because you just had a random day where you were craving for it. Angiti, like the whole time no one was coming in, so you're like, I because I'm alone, it's fine. And then random day the person comes and you're like, I just ate everything and I finished. Like who can relate to these things? Like there's a lot of relatable moments, Jay, where things just happen where you least expect them. Like, it's hard. It's hard. But anyway, um as I'm still waiting for y'all to comment and stuff, I just want to thank y'all for subscribing. I am still gonna make excuse me. I am still gonna make like a video once I recover properly where I make an official welcome to my channel and just to tell y'all also what to expect in future for this YouTube channel. So yeah. Um But yeah, I'm really thankful for y'all. And yeah, may God bless each and every one of y'all. I'll be back very, very soon. Very, very soon. I'm gonna be well very, very soon. God bless y'all. I love you. Like, share, subscribe.